Assalamu alaikum, good morning and welcome to another beautiful day from sunny Pakistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Assalamu alaikum. You sing it right there.
जी ये भी ये 45
45. Let's try this now. Coconut water, fresh. KS's and cousin Rahman's garage. We push both of them together, enterprise, and we're getting some car done. We're getting the MOT done as well, lads. You know what I mean? A full body check and that and everything. Sangi Shakhoye. Waqbala Sangi. Boss, Rabi's bought some tea and some nice little biscuits just for a little snack early in the morning, and then from here we're gonna go probably for a little chakar. I'm gonna leave him be today because he's been working hard. He's got a few jobs to do, some axles, some shop muck, so I'm not gonna bother him and bug him too much. Last time you seen him. Assalamu alaikum viewers.
Assalamu alaikum viewers.
How
are you?
Alhamdulillah. Kashmir na video le pas.
Kashmir?
Oh.
Kashmir ka ushora ma kana.
Hamo shari us. Haza video se pe qiyam na poish. Eh? Sa? Subya?
Tiki ka mota suzai.
Ha, usuri ze tere ke.
Dre.
Duri ze tere ki duri de kambal ki jodi di. Do badi kyun ne ko do lios sto training de.
Da better training de.
For training day. Alka kharo pe na ki poish. Look kana sahi re se na ghar ki ler ki boti hi. Look all the little tools moves they got. Look, nothing goes to waste, mashallah. Pakistan Muslimun did their bildi, mashallah. Tulli khode barakat with heads now. And if you look closely, he's marked each of the valves. So when he takes them out, he knows which ones they go back in order. Oil kha. Sahi de. Good ha. There you go. Look, see that oil is dirty. That definitely needed changing. So pakwana lagi dila ka tulu ini. हम लोग कोड़े डिट चलाऊ ना हाउस है तो ना मसाला नो मारे सुना अभी दे अस्सलाम वालेकुम अभी दा कबाब की पकाई कबाब की तो सामने खान पे पकाई है सही है you need a new oil what's this air filter look at that you know what I mean we do a lot of driving need to change that as well tell him Rabi make sure he changes the oil filter
yeah
okay what do you mean got the next kid there doing the what's it call it the spark plugs, make sure they're clean. They don't really change them here, they just clean them. But if they're too dirty or something, we get them sucked out in it. To Rock Autos and Millet Autos, you know what I mean, from Alam Rock. And there he is, there's the man. Assalamu alaikum. We've just come to get service parts. You know what I mean? Here you get different quality of parts, so you have to get the best thing, you have to watch them as well. Unfortunately, it's just like that, you know, that's business, isn't it? So matching the oil filters and stuff, you know what I mean? Here, everything goes in the car, so you don't have to get exact parts and stuff, you know what I mean? Mashallah. You know what I mean? Usman Autos and Millet Autos, that's the name of this shop. Got the oil, God knows this is Pakistan, there's probably kebab oil in there, but you know, see where it goes in it. Inshallah. Bilkul fix it all. We're gonna check this car out, and this mama here is gonna fix it. It's gonna be in perfect condition. One owner from you. 20 days. 20 certificate, 25 years. I mean 25 or 20 days. That's gonna be fixed. Dekho so mal na hoga na. Probably. Good, yeah. So all is gonna fix. But this so kharcha rosi. हाँ three से मुकम्मल ready वो बुरा हाँ kebabs chums that's the ticker and that's the I don't know what that is. Passing through Sadr and like usual light traffic in Peshawar, you know what I mean? Always light traffic, no tension. And here in Pakistan, man, there's no such thing as safe drivers and that, man. You have to have a policy here. It's called Bismillah insurance policy. That's the only thing that keeps you safe on these roads, trust me. To Korfana markets, I came on the BRT bus and it's already heaving and packed here. Let's come to get a few little things from here, mashallah. So let's go. The task of the day to get across this. Look at that, it's heaving, man. I'm gonna follow some of the locals to go across. Look at this place, man. You love the wiring or what? You reckon the local MEB electric geezer can sort this out? I doubt. Check out the market, you can get all camping stuff, camping gear, knives and all them kind of stuff. You know what I mean? They're a bit shy to be recorded because a lot of the stuff they're not allowed to sell. And over here, look, you got boxes and boxes of tasers. Look at that. Loads of them. How much did you need? Size it. Let's look. Check out this bad boy taser. Cheap as chips. Come on, and this is Mamar shop. Assalamu alaikum. And it's got all look a telecom stool. That stool's really good, to be honest. And the old fishing gear if you're into your fishing and stuff. Oh look, the tactical vests and everything. All the boots, army boots. If you're into your training, maining and stuff. With this little brother here. No mai sada.
Kabul Plaza.
Kabul Plaza. What is kharcha hai?
450 خلصوما. يانا 550.
Said it. Said it.
داري دي خا. أشرب ليش دي تقوى.
Dear me, mashallah, look, he's got some proper yana mana on the go. Meat and stuff like that, look. Nice, that looks mashallah. So, cooked at different stages. And it goes in the middle and there. This young man cooks it there. And over on this side here. His brother here is making lube. What's that lube? That's probably one of the best things to eat here, to be honest with you. That's it. Because the camera is there. With his brother here, he's got a sugarcane juice stand here. What's the here? 50 rupees, one glass. Wo? Sahih hai. And he puts it here, squeeze it in through there, and it comes straight out there and into the glass. Pashto kiya.
هر یو شي الحمدلله موږ سره موجود دی په صفایي سره
صحیح ده
دا شینواری هوټل ډیر زیات مشهور دی الحمدلله ډیر لري رزين خلک یې راځي
صحیح ده ډیره مهرباني
کابل مارکیټ
look at the here mashallah assalamu alaikum ma and look he's making some patti tikki look at khosta judai bole rizq ki barakat fir ki hui shi guys make it with honesty and stuff, you know what I mean? Very nice mashallah. Here seems to be the cooking and eating, not cooking but the eating kind of area. What's that one here? Oh, that's fish there, and they usually get money, and usually the workers eat here. You know, people who come here go to the hotels at the top. I'm gonna plate of these simple lube, or korche as we call them. Put a bit of chicken mikni on there, you know what I mean, and a bit of mustard, mashallah, and we're gonna eat this inshallah. We stopped up by this young kid's little place here. No matter sada. Assalamu alaikum Arfan, and he's selling corn on the cob, and here he's got. Machake le kana ni machake or molga, very simple. Look at kulo ka waisha kulai ka, and there you go, look nice and fresh mashallah. Look, only 30 rupees, can't go wrong. And that little kid there, you got getting badmash on it. Look badmash look uskondi na, there you go, give it a smile. Look mashallah. Dear me, look closer to the edges. Look the way he wraps that, look mashallah. Look at the screen, look at the back of the phone, and that's some polished kind of things in the front there, look. Back it on there. There you go, look, leave it polish. And remember, you don't get your money back if you break it. Watch that, look, huh? Watch all the residue come off that. It heats up and it comes off. And the other brother there is working on that one there, look. You will go later, Kotli. Extra button पे पाकिस्तान के कोई extra button भी करना कोई चीज़ वो करना दादी सब खबर हो कला का ये वो माशाल्लाह हशोल शुई सामने माशाल्लाह we got the other brother here and he's fixing a Kindle, a fire Kindle there, huh? This is a problem there.
Charging base.
He's gonna sort. This is charging मला port dir खरपीजी मना. Thank you, Jazakallah. Shop here, mashallah. So all the stuff here for sale. This is Sikh brother. These are all Pashtunon. They speak Pashto originally. So what's it say? हाँ सही है. तो सिर्फ कुरकुमों के डेढ़ वक्त से दिया है ना. सही है. नूर शेख वही करा. So we're gonna try this brother's the kir dekha na. We're gonna try this brother's kir out here. Assalamu alaikum, bro. We're gonna try it here. We're gonna sit down, and mashallah, it looks beautiful. So let's try it. A little taxi here, and we're gonna go from here to Sadr Bazaar. And that was a little trip in Karkhon, but like too much stuff to see, and it takes like days to walk in here. I'm tired, and you know what I mean. I'm hungry, so I'm just jog on to Sadr, see what it's like. Assalamu alaikum, tono master.
Ma Gulzaman.
Gulzaman. Khabat. Gulzaman rules sakina sulu kana. Sam rate roklo nuruta bal kate pate rate roko dita bas sam insof rate roklo moch be sa kilo o bas ro basu o do video chikla sa ta bora su az ke besto bas the brothers gain chunda ta ready kalla ha koi shi persono no khumre do ka drive me samne ki bigara chunda na kara sahi da Canada huh there you go under the lower lip huh e persono no bas ni so ko na ki o to drive me pati ke kache shi be huh sahi da Canada. Remember, you got a big fishing community as well here. Next fish car, mashallah, it's a bit of an open one. No seat belts, so no safety, so you just got to be a bit careful. You know what I mean? Said 250 from here today. No one charged me 50 rupees, but it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? At least we have AC in this one, and it's all open. They gave that guy in front a bright idea that when it's hot, put all these in your vehicle and you'll have AC. Usually small, man. Look at the size of these bottles, Gucci, Mucci, and all that. Look at the size of them. Imagine taking that home with you. Massive. Look at these idiots, they're happy they're getting married, isn't it? Give it 2 weeks and when the hair fall out, they'll soon find out. Last stop for the day is chicken soup at Doc Ismail, where they're making a nice tiki miki as well. But guys, that's the end of the video for today. Inshallah, because we will catch you on the next one.